Okay, hey guys, Eddie Anna here. I'm about to start editing this video, but I forgot to film the intro. So for this intro and for this video, we're going to be taking a side notes. I have been studying a lot about tarot, but this video is not about tarot or anything like that. It's about taking a side notes, and I'm going to split this video into 3 sections. I'm going to do the first one, headers, second one, banners and text frames, and then third section, we're going to be doing different, we're going to be doing, what's the word, aesthetic notes. Together my brain's smushed, I'm sick, but we're going to be doing that together, and that's the video. So I hope you guys like today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still sick, so that's my voice, but I hope you like today's video. This will be posted in weeks in advance, so there's that, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot of writing this year, I think, and that's also coming. I started a novel, and I'm really excited for it, and my project, and that's going to be a video by itself, I think, so that's coming. So if you have any questions on the materials I am using, just leave them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer you. So we'll get started with the video. Grab your sketchbooks and your spiral notebooks or anything you take notes with. This could be for classes. But if you're going to be using this video for a class, I would highly suggest not to make your notes fancy during class. I would say make your notes fancy after class. That way you can review as you go of your notes and everything. I do this for fun. So this is how I'm studying tarot, but I'm not going to use that example. But, so yeah. So let's continue with the video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited for today's video. And by the way, you're seeing this in a couple weeks in advance. I'm just filming it ahead of time. So I have content for you guys. But for this video, I'm not going to say it's different or whatnot, but I've been on a study kick lately. And I've been studying. I'm not going to, make this whole video about how I study tarot, but just an example of that. I've been studying tarot, learning the tarot meanings and everything, so that way I could do a reading from tarot cards without having to look at the guidebook. But I'm not going to make that video just for that. This video is going to learn how to make aesthetic notes and how to improve your note taking and make it decorative. I'll show you an example in a minute. But this video is going to be broken down into 3 sections. First section, I'm going to go over headers, I think. And we're going to go over different headers together and have fun. Section 2 is going to be the text boxes that you'll use and your header and your note taking. Let me see if I can... Yeah, so examples like this, you can do it on your sketchbook, or I can provide this on my Instagram, and you guys can have fun with it. But I was just having fun with the text boxes and trying to be a little bit more creative with my notes I'm taking on tarot and everything. But this is just how to do note taking. Obviously, my highlighters are running out, so I will be getting new highlighters soon in the mail, so I'm really excited for those. But for now, I will show you examples and everything. The materials I will be using. I will also show you the note in a minute of how your template could look and make it aesthetic. I'm using Tombow Fuzuki, I think that's all you say, but I'm using this Tombow Refresh pen. I love this thing. It's one of my favorite pens. I'm also, for the note-taking part, this is the gel pens are becoming my favorite thing to write with. I used to love writing with the ballpoint pen, but I'm finding my handwriting is so messy. But with the gel pens here, It's actually a really good gel pen, and I'm surprised how many people use this on YouTube, and it's pretty amazing. Dad just picked me up some gel pens, and I was like, I'm gonna try it. So thank you, Dad. But I'm using 0.5 Pentel gel pen energy. Great pen, great pen. One of my favorite pens to write with. Also, if you want to have decorative pages or something with color, you can use cheap pens like Crayola, Zipper Tips. I'm using the GC Quill art marker. And by the way, if my voice sounds raspy to you guys, I am sick with a cold. My whole family is sick. You've already seen the video, the sick vlog I did last Friday, but also for the highlighters, I haven't gotten the highlighters in the mail yet as I'm filming this video, but I am using these highlighter Sharpie accents. But I am running out of ink on these, so I am getting new highlighters in the mail soon. So maybe I will do a video, or maybe I'll like continue the video once I get them. But highlighting your nose is not really important. It's just a part of the thing here. So let me see, what else do I use? I usually use sticky notes, such as this one for the keywords, or something I want to stand out. I'm using these as well. Could use this method for school. So now, and when I say I take notes, I mean I take notes from Skillshare classes, I take notes from reading books and everything, or I annotate books, and that's another video coming soon. I'll be annotating books on my YouTube channel, so if you want to see that, stay subscribed. But I want to show you also what my notes look like before I started. I was trying to add some color and everything, and you know, this is like my tarot card practice, but you know, with that, but this is not the video about that, so ignore my notes here. But this is an example of the, and here's some more headers and examples if you guys want to see that. But I'm using the binder here for that, and also this is a template where we're going to be doing together in this video. I'm not going to go over tarot card examples or any of that, so that video is not that video. But anyways, I'm going to show you the example here. We're going to go over to section 1 of the video where we're going to be talking about headers, how you get that fancy letters and everything. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe down below, turn notification bell on so you won't miss a single video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video. This is section 1 where I'm doing the headers for your notes. This one I'm doing a fancy font for the note, but I'm using different colors, and I'm going to be outlining it in pen after the header's done. So I'm really excited for these headers, and I hope you can use them in your notes. As you see, my sketchbook with the eraser on top of it, there are different headers you could do. I've been following different videos on YouTube and trying to come up with my own headers, and been having a lot of fun doodling in my sketchbook of text frames and everything. So I just wanted to touch base on the header for you guys, and I hope you guys can have fun with it. And yeah, so continue watching the video. Section 2 is going to be the text frame. Stay tuned for that. And then in the end of the video, we're going to be doing taking pretty notes together. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you have any questions or anything like that, just leave them down in the comments down below. And let's get on with the video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video, section 2 of the video. I'm not sure if it'll be leaving timestamps in the description, but this is one of the text frames that I am working on. You will have several of them in your notes, and I hope you can use them to your advantage. For this one, I decided to do a rectangle, and basically the base of the text frame is a rectangle or square, and then you can add decorative elements to it if you wish. For this one, I'm really excited for, and I hope you guys like this video. You can use it for school, classes, Skillshare, anything, or basically anything. So I hope you guys like this video. It's just a little bit different than what usually I've been watching different how to take notes videos for studies and everything. It's been a lot of fun. So continue watching the video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to the last part of the video. And if you made it this far, leave a pencil emoji down in the comments down below. If you have any questions or anything in materials I'm using, when I talk about headers or anything like that, I usually like to have it bold. So I'm using my Tumblr Yuki. I cannot pronounce that. Um, but I am using a colorful banner here, I think, and I like to use 3D drop shadows for the text boxes, and then also a tip that you want to do if you want to have your handwriting slant your writing to the right, and you can write big and aesthetic. Um, but I like to use text boxes, frames, arrows, or anything that would make the notes fancy. But I will highly recommend this tip to make your notes fancy as a review. Do it after class, so that way your teacher doesn't think you're doodling during class, or if he or she does not like the doodling part of it. But I would highly recommend doing it after class. Um, Also, you want to fill your notes with arrows, frames, diagrams, anything you could think of that will help you remember stuff. I would highly recommend you making quizzes or anything. I am not in school. I wish I had this in school and while I was in school, but I'm not in school. I just like to study for fun and learn on my own. Um, so you're all a student, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.